Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about stablecoin. Stablecoins is a type of cryptocurrency that is designed to maintain a stable market price. Recently, this type of a digital currency has grown in popularity and we have now numerous stablecoin projects. Although the exact mechanism vary from one coin to another, stablecoins are supposed to be somewhat resistant to market volatility, so they should not experience significant price changes. Many stablecoins have their values fixed by pegging them to the price of another asset. While most of them are pegged to the US dollars, there are stablecoins pegged to the price of another cryptocurrencies or even commodities like silver or gold. By being pegged to real-world assets, these coins avoid the wild price swings caused by the high levels of volatility very common in cryptocurrency markets. Apart from minimized volatility, stablecoins have several advantages like being open, global, and 24-hour accessibility to anyone with internet. They are relatively fast, cheap, and secure to transmit. Being native to the internet, they are also programmable. For example, stablecoins like USD coins, Binance USD are pegged to US dollar. DAI is pegged to other cryptocurrencies and Pax Gold is pegged to precious metals like gold. So this was all about stablecoin. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.